recall, way back to Friday, we were warned Saturday, Sunday, and Monday would be like they were. Gray, gloomy, snow, rain.
You just don't like it?
Not at all. I don't mind a day. A day is fine.
Can I also take
Three is a bit
the smallest victory lap because I get so much feedback.
It's a fair word.
When we get it wrong.
Commentary.
The models were putting out a lot of ice this weekend, and I was pretty insistent in feeling like
you were skeptical.
During the day with the sun angle, it wasn't going to happen. And even my own mom didn't believe me.
Betty.
But I know.
When's the last time she believed you, though?
Yes. It's tough. Yeah. I don't have time for the whole story. No. But anyways, it worked out. That's good. I'm glad nobody really wanted significant icing. They did get it in Vermont and New Hampshire, as we thought might be the case. Today was dreary. We didn't have a lot of heavy rain out there, but we did have a lot of clouds. We had some fog. And just at the very end of the day, we ripped some of those clouds apart. I'll show you that on the satellite in a minute. We're in the warm sector. Warm front moved north this morning, so we scoured out any remaining cold air that gave us some patches of sleet and some patches of freezing drizzle too. But the warm sector is not that great when you don't have enough space between the warm front and the cold front, so that doesn't give us a chance to kind of enjoy the warmer conditions. In addition to that, we had the cloud cover issue, which was pretty much the entire state all day. You can see at the very end, and this is pretty classic in this time of year, we ripped those clouds open at the very end, but we don't have much time, in some cases about a half hour or so, of daylight left. So you might see a sunset, even though we didn't see any sun during the day. Temperatures in the 40s, 50s not far away. It's going to be mild tonight. And then the cold front comes through, and it looks like it kind of scrapes the coastline with the heaviest rain tonight. It does move inland a bit. The mountains likely stay dry, though. And if you wake up early enough tomorrow morning, down east in the mid-coast, you'll wake up to some showers still. But pretty quickly, by mid to late morning, we'll clear this front out of here and start to see some sun. And we'll get the sun pretty much statewide by about midday or so. Temperatures aren't tremendous. We're only in the 40s, but the sun makes a big difference because we haven't seen it recently. So that will be nice. And northwest winds kicking a little bit, 10 to 15 miles an hour, but again, the sun offsets all that, I think. Chilly night tomorrow night into the 20s and teens, and then back to sun on Wednesday, first half of the day in the 30s to around 40 degrees. And then our next system moves into this kind of colder air mass on Wednesday night. That means we may start as some snow and sleet initially Wednesday night, and then slowly scour that cold air out again on Thursday, changing over to rain Thursday morning into the middle of the day. So that's another dreary day, it looks like. Temperatures in the 50s, but not exactly the way that you're picturing that. Notice I undercut Thursday's temperatures pretty big. I just wanted to drive home. There will be a mix in especially the mountains probably on Thursday morning. We'll nail that down a little bit more tomorrow. Looks all right on Friday. We should be able to squeeze Saturday out, but it's close. The storm approaches for Saturday night, Sunday. So if that's the case, we have a split weekend. Saturday would be the better of the two weekend days, and then Sunday could be like Sunday.
Spring.
Yeah.
Spring in April starting tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay. Keith, thank you.